whipping here. No refunds for you, so don't be dipping here. Better think back if you think that weak crap you flap coming at your trap is hard. And it's hit, punk please, who you bullshit? You better